Architect siya sa Pilipinas pero wala siyang license at tinatanong niya kung possible ba siyang matanggap dito sa Canada. Alam mo, ang kadalasang problema lang ng mga tao ay kung paano pupunta dito sa Canada kasi walang direct hiring as an architect or as a project manager papunta dito. Yung iba, kinakailangan nilang mag-caregiver kagaya ko or mag-apply as an immigrant or sometimes yung iba nga student ang mga visa nila or a provincial nominee. At yun naman, dapat meron kang skills. I think you're under a skilled program. May mga gumagawa nun, hindi ko lang alam masyado yung detail. Actually, pagdating ko dito is college graduate ako and I worked my way into becoming a designer, a technologist, tapos naging registered architect ako and now I'm doing project management too. So, it is possible. Good luck sa'yo!